Friends, today I am going to talk about one of the trending app that is not known to many. By using this app, you will be able to become crorepati, or I can say that you can earn more than lakhs of US dollars. Yes, this is true. It is similar to Bitcoin app, as in 2008 Bitcoin was distributed freely. For promoting the app, similar thing is being done by another app and is being by news media as well. As here you can see that when I open Google Chrome, let me choose this, stop this auto rotation mode, and here you can notice that this is Qual app. Here Qual app, that is Initiative Q. This product is by developers of PayPal. As you know, PayPal is a platform for exchange of currency globally. As in India, we use Paytm or Google Pay. And this app is covered by Wikipedia and many news media as well. Not by the name of Qual, but by the name of Initiative Q. Okay. And here you can see it is listed on Qual, that is Play Store as well as Apple Store as well. And here you can see it is covered in Live Mint, newspaper, Business Standard and many more. Now the thing is how to install app and become a chain member of it. Well, this is a referral thing, and without referral you will not be able to install this app. One and the foremost thing you should remember. And after you had used my invitation, or you can say referral link, I need to verify you as well. So you need to specify in comment that I have installed Qual and Pi Network app and please to verify me. Okay, now coming to the point, how to install this app. Here I will provide you this link in description so that you can avoid any comment section and fraud or scam links by others. Okay, once you click on this Qual invitation link, as here, let me click it, this page will open in your Google browser or any browser. As here you can see, congratulations, so and so message is coming, and this is the estimated future value of the coin. And now you can imagine how rich you could become, as one member will give you around 1500 Qual currency. Once you go here, you have to click on this reserve your spot. Okay, and here you can notice that this thing, earlier it was Initiative Q, but name has been changed now and it is said to be Qual. Okay, reserve your spot, and once you are here you have to click on this sign up button. Any of these thing can be used, Google, Facebook or Twitter, for sign up. Once you are done, it will not ask any other information. Okay, then go back to the home page and open Play Store or Apple Store on your mobile phone. Then search for Qual and install this app. Once you install this app, you should log in with the same email information. Once you are done, you will get almost 1500 Qual coins, and later on, once I verify you, you will get those coins in your account. As here you can see wallet. Okay, there are many things in this app like reserved, that means you have got these coins. Current, I mean you can gain this much coin provided you achieve the task. Okay, I mean achieving is that this app has a inbuilt function that it will provide you so and so coins, like here 11,409 coins, provided you refer so and so many people. Okay, so I suggest you to start referring your friends as soon as possible, because once you hit this target you will get many and many awards in future. Especially I think that this app will start working from 2022 around, and it will reach its target because this app is by one of the great entrepreneur. And let me show you one more thing. Qual is not just Qual, it is more than that. As here you will see who are behind this app. There are many great people behind this app. As here you can see economists are behind this app: Lawrence H. White, Mark William, James Catton, and more. And one more thing that I must tell you here is that this app will not take away your any data except your email. Okay, it will not check your contacts or anything like that, or photos like other stupid apps, and they have clearly specified in their page as well. Okay, that's it. Apart from that, there is one another app, that is Pi Network. This app is also one of the greatest app and is trending and is said to be replacing the Bitcoin app in future. As here you can see that this app is also having my referral code, that is capital S small a U R A V 0991. Okay, you should use this referral code after you install this app. And this app rating is 4.4. okay, more than 1 crore download and 3 lakh reviews. This app is by Stanford Institute, so you should install this app. And it is said that it will start around $100 for one coin. People have got more than 100 coins within 1 month. So you can also install this app and be part of it. Even if you don't refer any person, then also you will achieve 1 coin per day, provided you tap this icon on daily basis. You have to tap this icon in this app, that is Pi app, on daily basis. It will provide you notification after 24 hours daily. Okay, so I recommend you to check this app twice a day, that is morning and evening or night, and tap this thing so that you can collect these coins here. Okay, that's it. And one more thing I must say, that once you install these apps, you should write its password, username, and any other thing in some paper, so that once they got listed, you can get yourself verified and get the real money. That's it. Thanks. Refer more and more people and help others as well. Thanks.